Right then, Elle, what you doing?
I'm gonna open these Kinder surprises, and I got 3.
Let's just see which ones they are first. The Palace Pets Kinder Surprise.
Yeah.
Right then, open them and see what you get in them. How many's in there? 3?
After we open them, let's just have all the chocolate.
Well, you can share some with Scarlett, can't you? And I'll have a piece. There's 3 eggs there.
We'll put them over here.
See if you got out good on that one. This is the first one, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll put the rubbish over the side out your way.
Wow, we got this one.
Let's see, what is it?
It's a yellow pony. Oh, this one.
Oh, that's good, isn't it? I'll build it for you in a minute, yeah?
It has these 2.
That's the dress, I think. You put a dress on it. Do you want me to build it in a minute?
I think I can build it because I had one of these before.
Well, do you want to open 2 then? I'll help you build them.
Okay, that's the toys.
Yeah, keep them all together there. I need to get a stand for this camera. Yeah.
Can I get this next? I keep putting it the wrong way.
And let's put the rubbish over that side, not with the chocolate. Just got to eat the rubbish, do ya? Let's see what we got.
I don't know, yeah. It's
Wow, we're gonna have to build all these in a minute. Meg, don't mix them up though, you won't mix them up. We'll build them all and show you in a minute, yeah?
we only got one more. Let's hope what's in something that.
Let's put the rubbish over there. The rubbish pile. Let's see what you got. Right, don't smash up too much, please. Is that nice? Don't put it all together. Right. What should we do? Should we build the toys then have a look at them afterwards, yeah?
Yeah, and then we'll eat the chocolate. Hi, here's the toys that I made. You can see.
Let's have a
Little
look.
3 elements.
Wow. That princess looks nice.
She does.
And that's a cat. I think its head wobbles.
Yeah, this is actually, I don't know what it is, but it looks like a donkey.
Yeah, I think it's some kind of a donkey. And then we've got a pile of chocolate, so we have some of them. We're going to save some for Scarlett, aren't we?
Yeah, no, let's have
Mmm.
No.
Is it nice?
No.
Should we give Scarlett and Adam a bit?
No.
Okay, right then, say bye.
Bye.